So could Able. They go plug out your bulb. Cause your pile big like a light bulb, you know. Yes, my love, I don't know how that come through your bottom. And when you shit, you're supposed to hold on two sides of the wall and about sweat. Big kill is some bagger upon the app. I know what terrorize the woman. You pick your child is artistic. You not have them the time there. You have time for run down, man. You have time for argue with Shana Chin who take a boy when you really want you with talk, so you're all big and it not good. Lord Jesus, deliver my soul. Then come in, people. So could Able. Nobody know why about the blood in your bottom return the crystal. Nobody know why about that your chandelier were in your bottom. Able, you got to talk about over 3 years now your pal na act up. 3 years since you robbed Louise. Able, every time you come with your body problem, then from you depend up until now, you not got to chop out the chandelier, you not got to tear your curtain from out of your bottom. You know, see the wall of your ceiling, your bottom will come down. Then Able, who are able your pile. Able, you know, you little bit of sick stomach, then I saw you broke. From the time you skin out a beat people in them head with pot, why not go open up in front of a doctor and make him lawnmower that? Make him walk at that, man. Somebody must can walk at that. Yeah, come and tell me about your pile in your bottom. And who do you want to take? Yeah, I get one cutlass. Beg a farmer man. Beg somebody who know for lay manure and dig up all the yam. Make them dig out that out of your bottom. Make them ox out your bottom. Yeah, come and talk about your pile and all the ride and the spicy food affect your pile. Your pile big like a light bulb. So you're not going to chop out that yet. You're not going to dig out that yet. Every girl cut all the fibers out of them body. So why not going to dig out your own? Me sound a little bit and disgusting, you see, man. I look at things I never did that eat. Because when I remember how the pile big like a light bulb, I go, me that bring up back where I give me weight. No, but it's not lie. Nobody know what about your pile when you rob Louise. Send it, go give Louise again and say, hey girl, you see what you make activate. It's an AI in your bottom. But me don't know how to able. And that me say for the amount of money where you want to make and the amount of Airbnb and the house where you go rent, you couldn't see back one of the rent and go chop your pile. You couldn't go plug out the chandelier, they go pull down the bulb, the man. The AI activated look like Louis called the head office. You're supposed to walk wide now, you like you have bandy leg, bow leg, tartar, or rickets. I can't understand. I just can't understand not the way I talk on the app. One a little bit and kill. So what you want to do? You want the internet cut it for you? Can't go over Rosalie, she have a big mouth. Probably she can't bite it. Remember them girl that eat bottom? Carry it go over Rosalie, you remember she have a big mouth, she can't bite it. Make she lock down her mouth like a garage pan it. Me not on a little bit and disgusting pan the app. That is your secret. And your privacy that got chop it out. Beg a farmer man use them last. Yeah. Make sure him catch the root though, cause we don't want it grow back. No for sure. Me not go plug out your bulb. Cause your pile big like a light bulb, you know. Yes, my love, me don't know how that come through your bottom. And when you shit, you're supposed to hold on two sides of the wall and about sweat. You can use Zozo cutlass. I wonder if Zozo slap Britney with it yet. But no, but if him lick her with it, she'd have given me knowledge. She's a shaking up and come back together. I don't understand a little bit and careless. But I appear careless people up and up differently, you know. Appear so able come for help you now, for chop your pile. Call your mother, who is Louis' cousin. Call your mom. The two only did you have Louis. Louis anyway, they know the Lord Jesus able you mash up Louis, you know, you make Louis afraid forgive. I wonder if the bank them dismiss Louis. You make Louis afraid forgive. Yeah, so who else we can chat now, K? Ungrateful, K. K too ungrateful. You say K is very ungrateful. I mean, never respect that coming from K. Over 7, you want to file for tax. Are you gonna keep the picnic? Me just see one artistic youth that run up and down without supervision. K, I saw your child that run up and down because you have to live for life and catch, man. I saw your picnic that run up and down. K, you're not fit for being a guardian for a picnic where have not them sickness there. Leave the woman alone. I saw broken hungry stay. We don't have no money for mine, man. I saw no work and terrorize other people saving pan. The woman make you live. The woman make you enjoy yourself. The woman make you do all sort of something. And now nobody now look at you. Nobody now look at you because if we not have money, man, no one way. If we not have money, man, no one way. And it just go same way. A same way it go. If we not have money, man don't want us. And that make you cry. $700? That's about 120 Jamaican. 120,000 Jamaican dollar. What that can do? What that can do? The woman watch you. Impress the internet with all sort of fandangles. The woman never bother you yet for lunch money for the child. Low the woman K, you have dirty heart and dirty ways. Low the lady, you a girl with me like, but you have dirty heart and dirty ways. Yeah? You have dirty heart. I'm afraid I know. When I have dirty ways, the woman make you disgrace yourself. She make you celebrate it. The woman never beg your lunch money for the child yet. I tell you, say, send over Pampers, send over this, send over that, send over you know what. Anything you want to do, you do it for your own. The woman never do that, so leave the lady alone. $700? $700? Eh? $700 K go sit down, go have several seats, go ask back 10 points for your money them. Cause you waste a lot of money on 10 points. Go and ask 10 points for your money them. You're too outside the man key and licky and broke. You know just keep party what you and say your party still have. You did send cross no money. You didn't show say your picnic no want nothing even being with the stepmother. So you come crucify the stepmother now. But you want to file taxes. And what kind of problem you run up in, okay? When you file tax off of your daughter where you go to college, file tax off of Paris. I go breed again. You're not fertile. Go breed again. Waiting foreign make for you up there, you not do nothing. Just breathe like the Africans and the Chinese. Just breathe out your latitude, your longitude, and start by your altitude. Go breathe. Go breathe again. When you're very ungrateful. Yeah. Go do something. You terrorize people when you know you're big and careless and not want to work. Go do something. Go. Hi. Go and do something. And leave the lady who have your child. If the lady should send you back your child and you file for the tax and the tax done, can you maintain the child? Can you maintain the child? You have that time there for overlook your picnic. You have that time to forget the picnic, the special attention where they get to 10 points. You have that time because you don't have no time with them for sit down on the app and be bad. You don't have no time at all. Go have several seats, you're too broke. Go have several sit down. You go sit down all in your own lap. Yeah man. Go hold a seat one side. All you do is just big and bagger. Big careless and bagger upon the app. Thank you, breads. Big careless and bagger upon the app. I know what terrorized the woman. Your picnic have autism. You know, your child is artistic. You not have them the time there. You have time for run down, man. You have time for argue with Shana Chin who take a boy when I really want you with talk so you're all big and it not good. At them time that you have, go and have several seats. You're too bright. When you want to go party and dance and live carelessly, you know, remember say the woman have your picnic if you file for tax. You know, remember that. You know, remember if you take your own a child. You know, remember if you take a drop out of your big hole and supervise it. You know, remember them something they do. But the only tax time you remember say you have a child. Okay, go sit, move from here so with your big teeth. Your teeth them big like axe and shovel. Your mouth fever wheelbarrow. Yeah, go have several seats and leave the woman. Fear is fear. Leave the woman with your big barrel mouth. Your wheelbarrow mouth. Leave the lady alone. Them say show me a woman mouth and we can tell them all. You're the perfect example. Ask 10 points. That him says okay, it's not me. Remember me not do girls. Remember boys do me. Me not do girls. Yeah. And your man says so you're mad over. Your man will shatter your heart. And I'm me, okay, me not have nothing to do with this. Me just repeat what him say. Not hate me. Remember me never just jump up out of the blues and tell you say your mouth, you're all big. A 10 point tell me. Yeah. You're too damn ungrateful. You're an ungrateful bitch. UK. You're an ungrateful drunk. You're an ungrateful bitch. And it's just the truth. The woman forgive back your picnic and make the whole internet see how you take care of autism. The woman forgive back your picnic, but it look like daddy love the child. The lady forgive back your picnic, and like I me give back your picnic and make you file many taxes for many years. Yeah, and see how well $700 can lift you. Because I'm pretty sure they use a $700 by man, as you always do. Remember you name marriage counselor? Or you name walk down the aisle with anybody's son? Remember you name so and me? Cause as a boy same like me no plan for marry him. I plan for go and work out the atmosphere. Make me see how far him can fly or him can soar. And I mean say so. Me no like it for sure. It's wickedness and people on the internet always use them status to beat down other people who are right. You understand me? Them always use them internet status. Not the way you say out of your mouth, K, now make sense. Because we live come see you a fight over man. We live come see you a argue over man. We come see a fight over cocky when I want you. We see our own up and mind up cocky when I want you. We live to see you invest in a body instead of investing in your artistic child. We live to see that. So why you pressure the stepmother now? And about the woman friend, everybody. Oh, this Kumar, when you come out from a program and go dirty Kumar, nasty Kumar. Yeah. We live to see ya. Why you gonna look for flowers? We live to see ya walk a fight and a mind, man. We never hear say ya pack this and go give your son. We never see that yet. You keep that as a secret. Eh? Then who tell you say you can't file for tax now? Who put that idea in your head and make you terrorize the family? May the woman live happily ever after with your child. You should be glad for the break. Paris now about a ton doctor, lawyer, Indian chief and nurse. Hey, why not wait for Paris? Wait, kid. Just see him where you wait for, man. Wait. You want the internet to sit down and say, yeah, man, I saw them stepmother yesterday, care lie, you tell that woman there's a good woman, she better than me, because I never take up no boy, pick me and mind them, so worse than them, no well. Eh? You know much lick the boy, go to lick the stepmother. You know much lick your son, go to lick the stepmother. You know much dirty up him, dirty up the house. You know how much dry your stepmother, that stepmother ear. You know how much things him do to the stepmother. Okay, come suck me. Oh. You're too out to add and bright. You're too out to add. You did send none of the party money go give him. When you keep the divorce party, did you send any? You keep big divorce party because you want everybody to say you left 10 points, but yet still you're mad over him. Did you keep a party for your artistic child? Or in birthday catch you by surprise because you're busy with man? We just ask some questions, okay? We not argue. We just ask, fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. We just ask random question. Leave the $700. Leave the $700. I can't believe I saw you broke. 120 Jamaican dollars you are fight over. 120,000 Jamaican dollars you are fight over. Leave that. You know, say you spend more than that. Or your Benz want pay for. A loan you take out. Them are going to repo it. But just to ask random questions because I don't know what's the urgency for the $700. I just that I want to know that puzzle me. What's the urgency? Then K 10 pint did right. You can sell your crutches and get $1,000. 10 pint did right when him say you're all no good. Then look how you dress fabulous. Look how when you put on your clothes you look nice. Eh? Tell me the truth. I just bad skin you have. Look when you put on your clothes you look nice. Your clothes them sit down on your belly flat. You understand me? Everything on your augmented. You understand me? Look how you look. Then nobody really can give you $1,000 for diggy even from sideways if they don't want to look on your fully. Not even a side view with a gate. In the bedroom. $5,000. Me not understand. I just feel like someone will sit down and just decide so not to cause problems. And that me feel say someone will just sit down and just say, you know, say tomorrow I'm going to cause riot. Yeah, me just feel so because I can't understand the importance of your argument or your cry. Me just can't see the relevance. I want to see it, you know, because I want to make sense out of the nonsense, but it not happen. It's not happening. Yeah, go down. I'm willing for send you down, you know.
Let me go down.
Oh.
I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah, me I come right behind you though. You so come. Yeah, me can't see the relevance. Me just can't see the relevance. No, for true, you don't have nothing to do with foreign. Me just can't see the relevance. And that me can't see the importance. Like how me can't see why Able come talk about the chandelier in the bottom. Me just can't see it. What the internet for do about that? What the internet for do about K and the stepmother and the filing for the 7? What the internet must do about that, K? You just a show say you're broke. You know realize that you come up a show say you're broke and in need, desperate, dire need. And that you just a show the internet, but you know want nobody to talk so no broke. Leave the lady alone. Leave the lady alone, K. She not deserve no drug from the internet and she certainly don't deserve a drug from you. Be grateful for the little way people do for you. Una like it is a very ungrateful drunk. You're an ungrateful bitch. You are. And if you were my friend that would talk like that, me just say, okay, come suck out my body hole, you're big and ungrateful like with your ugly skin. And that me that tell you, okay, honestly. And that me that tell you for true, if you were ever my friend, because a whole heap of free time the woman give, free at last, it is finished. Oh my God.